Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with Magento Admin API token, detailed guide step by step clearly. To authorize with the Magento Admin API token, first, ensure you have your Magento installation running. Access your Magento admin panel and log in with your admin credentials. Navigate to the System section, then select the Users option. Create a new user or choose an existing user account you wish to use for API access. Note the user's assigned roles, as these will dictate their permissions with the API. Now, head to the API section in the Magento admin. Here, you can generate a new access token by selecting Add New Integration. Enter the required information, including the integration name and email address. Scroll down to define the resource access permissions for the integration. Choose All to allow complete access or specify individual resources for restricted access. Click the Save button to generate the integration token. Upon save completion, a new token will be displayed. Copy this token immediately. Keep your token secure, as it grants access to the Magento Admin API. Next, open a REST client or the command line to begin making authorized API requests. In your request, set the HTTP method to post for authentication. Use the URL that corresponds to your Magento store, followed by the endpoint for the token request. Include the token in your header under the authorization key. The format should be bearer, your _token_ here. Now, make a request to a specific API endpoint to test your authorization. If successful, you should receive a response confirming your access. In case of errors, double-check your token and ensure proper permissions are set for your user. Once confirmed, you can proceed to use the Magento Admin API for your integration tasks. Always refer to the Magento API documentation for additional resources and updates. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.